What's up, guys? Model Airport Nation, and tonight I have a very special video for you guys. Today I have the brand new Minneapolis Terminal 2 into 1:400 scale. This was created for me by Model Airport Network. So thank you, Zach at Model Airport Network. You did an amazing job. First off, we have the fire station here at Minneapolis. So I did originally have this printed in white. Zach at Model Airport Network is absolutely amazing. He went back and did it in tan color for me, so thank you so much, Model Airport Network. Highly recommend them, guys, for all your Model Airport needs, including 3D printing. They also work great and very close with Hangar 505 layouts, so go check both of them out, guys. They collaborate really well together. So, very impressed with this. Let's get it on the fire department side here, guys. Gosh, I'm so excited. Fits like a glove. Look at that. Wow, actually, I'm pretty dramatic, guys, but this is amazing. Let's put some fire trucks in front here. I have a ton of fire trucks here. Got a bunch from Jet Set Models and from Tiny Tug Designs here. So we're gonna get a bunch out on the layout here, but guys, check it out. Wow, amazing. All right, here's a couple of the Tiny Tug on the left and a couple of the Jet Set Models on the right. I do have a bunch of both here, but just for right now, here it is, guys. Great job, Hangar 505 and Model Airport Network. Very, very, very happy and impressed, guys. Wow, I can't even got the terminal all yet, guys. Wow. All right, guys, now it's time for the main course. Awesome jet bridges by Model Airport Network. So one thing I didn't realize, these are actually made, he makes these scale to each gate. So they're a certain length, but they go to each gate though. So that's really cool too, guys. Check it out. I'll probably switch these both out. I will use these first, and then I'll switch these out with some of the more extendable ones too. Really, really cool though. Very impressed indeed. Oh my gosh, guys. I can't even get this over. Right, we have the first part here. Let's just sit it down. All right, part number 2 here. Really, really good job wrapping this, Model Airport Network. Thank you very much. Oh, yes. Check it out. Very impressed. All right, guys, next up. Wow, look at the detail that went into this. And like I said, I waited and I said, hey, can I get the tan version? Because in real life, it's tan. So very impressed indeed. This matches it. Like, I'm going to have this forever, guys. So, like, this means a lot to me. Absolutely amazing. All right, guys, here's the next part. So these two kind of look the same here. And then now what we're going to do is we're going to... Okay, now we're getting to the meat of this. Oh, look at this. Super scale. Holy cow. Look at that, guys. You guys have been to MSP Terminal 2. You guys know what you're looking at. You know what I'm talking about. Wow. All right, here's the next part. Nice and clean. Really good work on this. Very impressed. Here is one of the last sections here. Really cool. All right, one more of these guys. Super cool. All right, that looks like that's everything there, guys. Let's go ahead and get it together here. All right, guys, here it is all together here. What an amazing job by Model Airport Network and Hangar 505. Just look at this. The ultimate MSP. Absolutely amazing. Let's look at the top here. All the details that went into this. Just perfect. Like I said, I used to work at this terminal, so it just means a lot to me to have this. Obviously, I've never worked at Los Angeles Airport or any of the other airports I pretty much own, so it's just really cool to have one that you've actually stood out and worked at. This gate was really weird because it's kind of on the angle here, so you push out. You have the cars coming around that way. Just a really interesting gate there. Yeah, I'll show you from the other side now. All right, guys, behold, Minneapolis Terminal 2, 1 to 400 scale. Fire station on the right side here. Traffic coming on in. We've got the jetways on from Model Airport Network here. Sun Country over here. Condor loading up here for Germany. Try to give you guys a good shot of the front part of this. What an amazing terminal indeed. Super scale. All right, guys, and here's a shot from the side of MSP Terminal 2. Ignore the mountains in the back. Switching out my Los Angeles airport currently, guys. But yeah, look at that. What a view. I need to put like a Minneapolis backdrop with like Mall of America and stuff in the background. So we'll see what we're able to do with that, guys. Wow. Also ignore these airplanes on this side. I was moving a lot of airplanes around. Kind of did it myself and put the walkway there. Its own custom walkway actually for like LAX, but honestly, guys, it gets the job done. It looks pretty cool, so. Really impressed, guys. Again, I will be doing more of a route update here in the next, probably in the coming week here, to be honest with you guys, in the next couple days of the different routes. I have more airplanes to unbox in an update here that I just got from JH Wings, including 4 new Sun Country models in that as well from NG Models. So stay tuned for that, guys. I'll be getting those on the layout here too, as well as some of my newer Southwest planes as well, guys. So, like I said, stay tuned for that, guys. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you guys enjoy this amazing Terminal 2 at Minneapolis St. Paul International Airport. I will be adding a lot more details to it in the coming week, so stay tuned. Thank you, guys, and happy collecting. Model Airport Nation here, over and out. Instagram, TikTok, and of course right here on YouTube, guys. Model Airport Nation. Big shout out to Model Airport Network, as well as Hangar 505. So thank you guys for making my Terminal 2 at Minneapolis St. Paul International Airport 1 to 400 scale dream come true, guys. In the future, I think they are currently expanding Terminal 2 on the right side here. So I will be working with Model Airport Network on that for this expansion to the other gates here. So really cool, guys. Again, happy collecting. See you guys soon.